Welcome back to Bull Market Bully, your go-to channel for stock insights and investment strategies. If you're looking to build wealth and stay ahead of the market, make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, you won't want to miss the bonus tip I've got for you at the end of this review. It might just give you the edge you need in your portfolio. Let's dive right into the financials of Shiba Inu, also known as Shib. Over the past year, Shib has shown an impressive growth rate of 229.94%, driven by increased adoption and community support. The cryptocurrency has a market cap of $19.06 billion and a circulating supply of 589.26 trillion tokens. Its 24-hour trading volume hit $1.28 billion, indicating strong liquidity. However, Shib's speculative nature means profit margins are unpredictable, as they depend heavily on market trends and token utility improvements. As Shib operates in a highly competitive space, its main rivals include Dogecoin or Doge, and newer meme coins like Pepecoin or Pepe, and Shiba Buds or Buds. While Dogecoin has the advantage of being the original meme coin with broader recognition, Shib is carving out its niche with ecosystem expansions like Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain. Shibarium promises faster transactions and reduced gas fees, giving Shib a potential edge over its competitors. However, volatility remains a key challenge, with significant price swings influenced by market sentiment and social media trends. Looking forward, Shib's growth depends on its ability to deliver on its promises. The burn mechanism, which recently saw nearly 3 billion tokens burned, aims to reduce supply and boost value. Additionally, ShibaSwap, its decentralized exchange, offers staking opportunities that could enhance user engagement. On the flip side, Shib faces challenges in sustaining long-term growth, especially as newer projects emerge. Its success will depend on solidifying utility beyond its meme origins and maintaining a strong community. So, how should you approach Shib? This token is best suited for high-risk, high-reward investors willing to ride the volatility. A dollar-cost averaging strategy can help mitigate the impact of short-term fluctuations. It's crucial to diversify your portfolio. Don't bet all your chips on one token. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose, as Shib remains speculative despite its recent developments. At Bull Market Bully, we grade Shib as AB- investment. While it has exciting growth potential and a strong community, its speculative nature and intense competition make it a risky play. Approach with caution, but keep an eye on its ecosystem progress. And here's that bonus tip. Consider tracking Shib's burn rate and Shibarium adoption metrics. These indicators could provide early signals of long-term growth potential. Also, if you're into crypto, always store your assets in a secure hardware wallet to avoid scams. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stock reviews and investment strategies. Thanks for watching.